Hi, I'm Grant. This is Dad Crafted. And this is the Royal Halberd from the Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild. Let's go. How did we make this?
Printing a lot of it.
Yeah, we 3D printed a lot of it.
And painted it all the colors.
And we put this rub on this.
Yep, little decorative ribbon there, like in the game. Probably gonna tear. Let's be honest, the whole thing's probably gonna break. Most of this is 3D printed. I found the files on Thingiverse. I will put a link to those in the description. As well as there'll be a whole blog post on the website, dadcrafted.com. This is the only piece that's not 3D printed. This is wooden dowel. I believe it's 7/8 inch thick. The file that we found on Thingiverse, we actually scaled down 75% just so that it would actually fit on the printer. This actually printed in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different sections. Each one was anywhere from 5.5 to 9 or so hours on the printer. I have an Endura 3, which prints really well, but pretty slow. All of them 20% infill, and the blades and the wings actually turned out really, really cool, really thin, and somewhat dangerous maybe. Alright, I'm down here in the Beat Lab, and I've got everything printed for the Royal Halberd, and I've got to clean some of this up still. I've never really made one of these before. I bought some filler primers, so the next step will be to clean these up, sand them a bit, spray them all with filler primer, but I think I'm going to glue everything together first and then do the primer. I don't really know what I'm doing, so we'll see how this goes. Here. Those will glue there. This will glue here. And there's another handle that will glue there. Lots of epoxy. Pre-glue up. This is a little loose, and this is a little loose, so I'm a little bit nervous, but hopefully that'll fill it in. Don't move. So 60-second epoxy actually takes 2 to 5 minutes to cure. But since the stuff clogged, I'm kind of scrambling. Don't know if these are gonna hold. We'll see. If not, we'll sand it, we'll do it over. Maybe tomorrow we'll give it the stress test and let the boys try to stab each other. Feels pretty loosey-goosey. Wings though, those are holding good. Alright, so yesterday this did not work. We are gonna try one more time. These held just fine. This is all pretty solid, not really concerned here. But I got some JB Weld Minute Weld World's Strongest Bond. Let's test that. But this has got a resealable cap, so squirt some of this onto a disposable surface, piece of cardboard, mix it up a little bit, we'll spread it on. Sets in 1 minute, cures in 30, 1 hour, whatever. We're just gonna set it, glue it, and then we will hopefully be priming this whole thing tomorrow. Smells like stuff you don't want to put in your nose. I'm feeling like I should have bought this originally with the whole replaceable cap aspect of things, because this is definitely a multi-part glue up. Oh, squidge. I feel like it's been more than 30 seconds. Maybe I did too much. I don't know. We're gonna let it cure. I'll leave it alone for tonight. Hopefully I don't get a stiff breeze in here. Oh yeah. What do you think of that?
Cool. Do you have to paint it? Or do you have to spray paint it?
Yeah, painting's next.
Oh, spray painting? Can I try?
Huh?
Can I try?
Yeah. It's not. I don't know how strong it is. Just don't stab your brother. Alright. Yeah.
I'm scared, girl.
Half done. 1 hour later. Here we go. see in action. Oh. Oh.
This one doesn't work. From the back.
We're not done yet. Let's talk about it a little bit. What time you got?
I don't know.
I don't know either. That has a removable cap that allows you to. Hey, yeah, we're talking. Let's talk real quick. Up here. Stop. That didn't work. Poop.
And this yellow.
Oh. Stitches already?
No.
Too sharp? Got some epoxy there that I could have spent more time sanding. I don't like sand.
Ow!
Definitely not silent footage. Oh no, there it went. So I guess, just like the real game, too much use and your weapons break.
Yeah.